Alicia. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin na you're one of the most kind, understanding, and genuine person na nakilala ko sa buhay ko. And sana hindi ka magbago. Tsaka sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo sa buhay, goals mo, tsaka sana mas maging matagal pa yung friendships natin lahat and ma-achieve natin lahat ng goals natin sa buhay. Yan lang. Happy birthday again. Love you!
Hi Ate Alicia, first of all, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana maabot mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Sana ma-output mo yung gusto mo maging flight attendant. Pero naniniwala ako na maabot mo yun kasi ikaw pa ba? Kaya mo yan eh. Thank you sa pagiging nanay ng okay. Ikaw yung taga-advise, ikaw yung taga-sabi kung mali ba yung gagawin namin o ginagawa namin. Thank you dahil nandiyan ka para sa amin. Mahal ka namin.
Hi Alicia, happy 18th birthday sa'yo and thank you sa pagiging ate mo sa amin at pagtatanggol mo sa amin. And naway, ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo na to and good luck sa magiging journey mo and thank you.
Hi Annie! Happy birthday! Gusto ko lang naman sabihin sa'yo na sana maging masaya ka sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay mo. And I know na unang nagkita tayo dahil sa stapler. Hindi ko naman nakalain na magiging kaibigan kita kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung ipapalabas to sa TV or sa'yo lang. Pero sana wag naman sa TV. Pero yeah, I just want to say happy birthday Ali. Maging masaya ka. And sana matupad yung mga pangarap na gusto mo. And one of them is being a flight attendant. And sana matupad mo yung kahit nasa maling course ka. Charing. Pero yeah, and I just want to say na I love you, Ali. And as a friend, syempre to. Char. Pero I love you, Ali. And if you need someone or malungkot ka man, nandito lang kami mga okay na verse mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Alicia!
Hi Alicia, Antonia Omnida! Happy 18th birthday, Ali! Ngayon na yung pinaka-special na araw para sa'yo, kaya i-enjoy mo to ng bonggang-bongga. Total 18 ka na, pwede na tayo uminom, pwede na tayo magwalwal. Joke lang po tita. Ang wish ko sa'yo, Ali, ay sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo na para sa pamilya, sa kaibigan, and lagi mong pipiliin or lagi mong papasayain yung sarili mo. Andito lang ako at andito lang yung Pinamers para sa'yo. I love you, Ali!
Hi Ali, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Sana maging successful ka pagdating ng panahon at lagi mong tandaan, mahal na mahal ka ng Diyos. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko sabihin and then happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ali. Thank you for being one of the best and nicest friend to us, Dilanay. Hoping that this year will bring you more happiness, lessons, and blessings to you. Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Alicia, happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and all the things that make your heart smile, and more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and remember to smile always. I hope we can still make more memories together. Happy 18th birthday!
Hi Ate Alicia! Happy 18th birthday! What? Legal age ka na po! Oh my gosh! Also, Ate Alicia, thank you for being my friends. And kung may problems na ako pinagdadaanan, like yung mga kiniwento ko sa inyo, you're always there for me and you always make us happy. And I'm very, very thankful for that. And then, I wish sa birthday mo, sana matupad mo po lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay, yung goals mo, yung mga dreams mo and priorities. Sana matupad mo lahat yan. And also, I'm always here even though wala akong cellphone. Pwede niyo po ako puntahan sa bahay anytime. Also, I love you so much, Ate Alicia, and happy 18th birthday po ulit. Ayun lang!
Anyong Gitara Girl, happy 28th birthday. And sana lang. happy 18th birthday sa'yo. And then sana magbago ka na and then stay what you are. And sana gumaling ka na. Sana gumaling ka. Okay. Sana gumaling ka na. Hindi, joke lang. Akin na, happy 18th birthday, Alicia. And sana gumaling ka na talaga. Hindi, joke lang. Happy 18th birthday, Alicia. Sana maging healthy ka. Think na to.
Hi Alicia, happy birthday. Hindi ko alam sabihin ko, kaya sinulat ko yung sabihin ko. I miss you. Tagal na natin hindi nagkita. First of all, I'm very thankful for you. For your very existence and for supporting me with everything I want to do. I started grade 11, yung back to face-to-face, I was scared. I was scared and had no plans to make friends. I was struggling to get along with others kasi I thought, kailangan pa ba? Naisip ko na, kailangan pa ba ng friends? Kasi dati, inisip ko lang, sapat na yung meron ako. But then, you approached me, made friends with me, and I thought, siguro hindi din naman ito magtatagal. Pero, as days goes by, mas naging comfortable ako sa'yo, and mas napalapit ako sa Kilalaba, yung nauna nating friend group, and I thought, siguro, wala akong magiging friends this school year. Pero, nung naging friend kita, mas nagkaroon ako ng courage na may pagsalamuha sa kanila. And I was very thankful kasi nung naging friends ko kayo, lalo na ikaw, hindi naging boring yung grade 11 ko. And masaya siya, very memorable. And I really thank you for being with me. And I know na you're struggling then with your personal problems, and I've been there. And I'm thankful na you're still fighting and you're still with us. I love you, Alicia. Thank you for being with me. Happy 18th birthday. Let's see you soon.
Happy birthday, my Ali. You deserve every bit of happiness. I wish you nothing but the best. I'm always rooting for you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ali. I hope you're doing well and feeling happy. I wish for you is life with nothing but only happiness. Happy birthday!
Hi, Nay Ali! Happy 18th birthday! Welcome to Legality. I hope beautiful things happen to you. And when it do, I hope you believe that you are worthy of every single one of them. I cannot wait to see you win in life. And if one day you feel like you have no one to tell your problems with, Jade, Marie, and I are always here for you. Happy birthday! We love you!
Hi Alicia, I would like to greet you to the happy birthday and I wish you the beautiful best of everything. Sorry I'm not speaking instructioning but I'm adjusting. Happy birthday, live what you want and you what you live. Thank you.
Hello, happy birthday. 18 ka na, legal age, pwede na makulong. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope all of your wishes come true. And good luck pala sa college life. Alam kong makakayanan mo yan. Yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Happy 18th birthday, Aa. May God bless you more and always take good care of yourself.
Hi, happy birthday. Wow, 18 na yarn. So, enjoy your day ngayon and focus lang palagi sa studies and sa life mo. Miss ka na namin ni ate and yung kakulitan mo. Bye.
Hi, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Makinig ka sa yung mga magulang.
Hi, happy birthday. Wish na ko nimo aral na mabuti.
Hi, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa araw na to. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Hi, happy birthday. Message ko sa'yo, pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo, huwag ka munang mag-asawa o magjojowa. Tsaka, pagbutihin mo pag-aaral mo para makatapos ka, para makatulong ka sa mga magulang mo at sa mga kapatid mo, pag-aralin mo. Miss ka na ni tita. Tsaka mag-ingat kayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Hello, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo mag-aral ng mabuti at palagi makinig kay mama at papa mo. Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Bye!
Hi, happy 18th birthday. Wish namin sa'yo sana matupad mo lahat ng mga dreams mo, makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo, at sana huwag ka munang magbo-boyfriend para walang sagabal sa school. Wish ko din sa'yo sana good health lagi, mag-aaral kang mabuti, wag kang paapekto sa mga problema na dadating. Yun lang, mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi. Sana makauwi kayo dito sa Bohol soon. Bye-bye!
Hi, happy 18th birthday. Kumusta ka na dyan? Kayo, kumusta na kayo dyan lahat? Ang maipayo ko lang sa'yo, wag muna mag-asawa, wag muna mag-boyfriend. Focus ka muna sa pag-aaral mo kasi college ka na. Para kung matapos ka na, wag kalimutan tumulong sa magulang at saka yung mga kapatid mo. Pag-aralin mo sila. Yun lang siguro ang masasabi ko sa iyo. God bless. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo happy life and sana happy ka sa kaarawan mo. More birthdays to come.
Hi, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. Pray always. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Pag may problemang dumating, pag-pray mo lang. Yan lang. Happy birthday.
Alicia Antonia. Hi, happy 18th birthday. Tumatanda na tayo. But we're not getting older. We're getting better. Ano yun? More birthdays to celebrate. And wish all the best of best in life. And good luck sa college journey mo. And ayun, huwag sobrang magpapaka-stress. Enjoy mo lang. Laging alagaan ang health, ang mental health. And always remember na nandito ako, andito kami, lahat para sa'yo. And we're so proud of you sa lahat ng achievements mo and sa magiging achievements mo pa in life. And ayun, magpapakabait pa, lalo magpapakabait. Nulit. And yun. Anyways, happy 18th birthday, happy legality. And ayun, you're truly an inspiration, lalo na sa mga kapatid natin. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy 18th birthday, ate. Sana masaya ka kayo sa araw mo. And nandito lang kami lagi nakasuporta. And sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo.
Good luck sa journey mo and more birthdays to come. And thank you so much for being a good ate. We love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Alicia Antonia. Sana masaya ka sa kaarawan mo. Dalaga ka na, 18 ka na. Magka-college ka na. Mag-aaral lang mabuti kasi para lang naman
18 birthdays to come. Good health. Yun nga, dapat mag-aral ka mabuti at natuto ka makisama sa mga makaka-alupili mo pang tao. Tapos makinig ka lang sa mga sasabihin namin, sa mga payo sa'yo. At lagi kang magdadasal, hindi ka pababayaan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Mahal ka namin ng papa mo at mga kapatid mo. Happy 18th birthday! Love you!